born Igbo man, I grew up as a hustler. Struggled as an Igbo man to survive as an Igbo man. I got dreams as an Igbo man, become a big businessman. Now I've come so far, now a car manufacturer.
Igbo man,
You're strong as an Igbo man.
Igbo man,
They can't break you, Igbo man.
Igbo man,
Stay strong, Igbo man. Through the pain and the fight, we stand up, find the light. Igbo man, rise up high. Keep your dreams in your sight. Through the struggle, we go on. Find a way to carry on. Igbo man, keep on pushing, stay strong. Travel as an Igbo man to escape Nigeria. Walk the desert, cross the oceans far away from my fatherland. From Europe to America, Asia to Antarctica, anywhere in Africa, you could find an Igbo man. North Pole Igbo man, South Pole Igbo man. No matter where you look, there must always be an Igbo man. And if you don't find an Igbo man, then you better have another plan. Cause where there is prosperity, you must always find an Igbo. We stand up, find the light. Igbo man, rise up high. Keep your dreams in your sight. Through the struggle we go on. Find a way to carry on. Igbo man, keep on pushing, stay strong. Oh, oh, oh. In South Africa of Mandela, we cry to Ramaphosa. We're facing xenophobia. This is no hysteria. It's happening in Ghana, land of Kwame Nkrumah. Resented, hated. That's been the life of an Igbo man. Rejected in Nigeria, brutalized in Nigeria, suffered in Nigeria. That's been the life of the Igbo man. Fight as an Igbo man. We must survive as the Igbo man. I fight as an Igbo man. I must survive as the Igbo man. Through the pain and the fight, we stand up, find the light. Igbo man, rise up high. Keep your dreams in your sight. Through the struggle we go on. Find a way to carry on. Igbo man, keep on pushing, stay strong. Igbo